All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to La Prinzo World Academy. My name is Prince Ikilowe, and today we're going to look at the market again. As usual, we do this daily analysis from Monday to Friday at 12 o'clock Nigerian time. If you're watching this video from YouTube, know that every day, Monday to Fridays, we look at the market, and then our Fridays are for basic students, people who are basic, people who don't understand, they are just beginning for us. And we also do our basics every Wednesday. Take note, please. Every Wednesday by 8 p.m. is the days we teach basics of forex. So tomorrow is going to be Wednesday, 8 p.m. This is, you can invite your friends. This is where you invite your friends who are not traders. This is where you invite people that you want them to come and see how people trade forex. We'll learn, teach about the basics of forex on these days. All right. If you are watching us from YouTube, you can get the video, join the WhatsApp community through from the YouTube link. All right. For those who are here in the academy, invite your friends and sisters to join us because you need to spread the good news of trading to the whole world. So welcome to the YouTube channel, and also welcome here those who are here with me in the Zoom call. I want to appreciate you for being here with me all the time to learn how to trade forex. So let's go to the analysis. Now, the first thing you need to do is, like I always say, you need to start your analysis with higher time frame. So you can see that this market is on a higher time frame. It has gotten to a very, very key level. Very, very key level. Very, very strong key level. It got here and there was a pullback, but it appears this market wants to break. This is the highest it has gotten to before. So even me, I am confused right now with this market, but you can still take risk to trade this market and write it down here. You can still take the risk because it's a turning point. Obviously, it's a turning point. Look at it there. The turning point, it means that when price get to this point, you look for selling opportunity. Sometimes you can even place a trade here. It goes. It isn't works, but the bad side of this is that if the market do fake, you know, you can do fake breakout to the upside like this kind of spike before going down. But this is where, like now, it has done a spike has happened here. You see, let's go to 4 hours time frame. Look at something like this. So most times I like to touch there and then watch what would make me trade these markets. All right, on a sell, ideally is this trend line. All right, because this is still a trend that was going up to the upside. It was like a pullback to the upside. Nobody knows if this market just want to come back a little bit here. This push back that is coming, it get to this point and then poof to the upside. So we want to allow this for me to be in that sell because this market is very tricky. You have to allow this to happen. All right, or sometimes it may not happen the way you've just drawn it, or or let's say price push down like this. All right, like this. That has to happen. Otherwise, selling this market is still very risky because the market can do anything. You are not the one that on the market. Yeah, it's good if you sell. Is let me even go to 1 hour time frame. This is a 1 hour time frame. You can see a lot of rejections are still happening. So the market has not really decided whether to go to the downside. This look at the trend line. Look at the trend line. So until the market breaks through this particular trend line and then retests, if you break through, when you are going to watch this breakthrough, now I want to advise you now to be using like this 30-minute time frame and be watching this breakthrough that will happen. You can even draw your trend line from this. Let's just do something crazy. All right. Let's just put our fingers crossed on these lines. On these lines. So what it means is that the price may most likely respect this trend line. If you respect this trend line that is coming down, is good. So if it does respect this trend line, it will do this, then it will come this, it will come back and then do this. Or it sometimes may not come here, it may not reach here, sometime maybe here. If it respect this trend line, all right, it will be coming to this place. So watch out for this breakout and retest to happen, and then you go back to a lower time frame and jump on board the market. But if it is an uptrend, if it's an uptrend, this could be a pullback to this place. For me to even buy this market, if this market come down here and then breaks through this particular trend line, look at, if you come down here, then it respects this trend line and then do this again, break and then retest. I'll buy to the upside. That is how you analyze the market. You look at daily time frame. It's not hard at all. Talk through those who are watching. To see this market like this in this view, is it difficult? See marketing in this view, is it difficult? Yes or no? What you do is you just go to the higher time frame. Look at it. Already you've seen that. Let me see who respond. No, right? Victor said no. It's not difficult, right? Is it difficult? Some of you listening to watching it. You go to a higher time frame. This is just remember a trend for you to recognize when the market is trending. No, right? For you to know when the market is trending, the market will do this higher high and higher lows, higher high and higher lows. Look at this high has to take out this one, this one has to take out this one, has to take out this one. So this is how you literally trade. You look out for the now where will you now put your stop loss? For instance, you are trading that particular market. Where are you going to put your stop loss? Let's talk about stop loss and take profit. How do you put your stop loss? How do you put your stop loss? How do you put your take profit? Let's say you are monitoring this market. All right. Let's say you're monitoring this market. How do you now take a profit? If you are monitoring this market, if the market decides to do what we are expecting the market to do, if sellers are indeed back, but the market is still an uptrend, obviously. Let's say market do this, we think it will do. It will do like this, and then retest. You enter. Your stop loss should be that time you'll be looking daily, 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame to see the higher high and higher low, the touches. All right, the touches like this. So if you place a trade here, obviously your stop loss will be above last the last low, the last higher low. Yes, the last higher low. So that if the market pushes back to the last higher low, it should, if it's if a trend that will continue, let me show you what I mean. Like now, this is what I mean. This is the market. Now, let's say you place your trade here. Let's say that you have your let's say you have your trend line drawn like this. All right. And then you now saw that the market pushed back to retest this zone. All right. Now, maybe after 5 minutes time frame, maybe you're using 5 minutes to see this market. If 5 minutes time frame is what you are using to enter the market, once you see this rejection here, you know that this is a sell market. You are going to sell. Their stop loss should be the next low, the next higher low, the next higher low. That's why you have to use lower time frame to see this higher lows, so that like if we sell here, you take profit is your stop loss above here, a little bit above here. If you sell here, your take profit is, you said there, your take profit is, your stop loss is above here. Then your take profit could be the next zone, except you're a swing trader, except you are doing swinging. All right, except you are swinging, then my advice for all traders is that trade with what you can afford to lose. When you place a trade, somebody say, let me say, so if 15 minutes or 30 minutes showing double top, can we still rely on it? So what I want to use, that's what I used to do. Okay. Okay. What's it that? Okay. Are you talking about the stop loss? So that's how you put your stop loss. So for this trade, we are seeing the market is still not decisive. So if we buy, sell here, our stop loss will be a little bit above here. The take profit can be. That's why you now use like daily time frame to see the next zone. Now let's see the next zone. The next zone, obviously, the price consolidated a while is here. I think here is the next zone. Look at it here. Let me even put daily time frame. How much can I start with? All right. So there was a lot of touches here. So year to year can give you good profit, good money. If you don't want to do there, you can also do here. All right. Here. You can take your profit here. If you succeed in selling this market here, you think about the next zones. The next zones to take your profit. So let's watch out for this market and see what it's going to do. Whether it's going to give us profit. Is anybody already selling this market? Is anybody there already selling this market? If you're already selling this market, can you type 222? If you're already selling this market, can you type 222? Let's look at V751S. This is V751S. V751S is what I'm also trading. I've been trading this market for quite some time now. And the reason why I'm buying this market is because of this. Let me remove all these things. Remove all these things so that the chart be clean for you to understand. All right. So the reason why I'm trading this market is because of something I discovered. When you go to daily, weekly time frame, when you go to weekly time frame, you discover that the market has been on a sell for some time, some weeks. Market has been falling. But when price go to this point, because there have been massive sales, selling. So market got to this point, there was a break. Market stopped. You see? Though it is not on this zone. I was expecting it to crash to this level. But market can surprise us anytime. It didn't get to this level. A lot of people were expecting the market to get to this level before this kind of massive buy will happen. This buy that happened here, it happened all the way to the top here before, see here. These are key levels before crashing back again. So market got here. Yeah, there was a time it got here, it moves all to near this level, it crashes. Come back again, move to this level again. it crashes. So this has been the market has been ranging according to the weekly time frame between these two zones. Now it got near to this place and it's saying it's rallying. So what happened here could still happen here. For the past, this is the fourth week, it's just buy. So you cannot say the market is doing pullback because these two, according to the weekly time frame, has not really formed a trend. And the market has been on a downtrend for a long time. So this market could still be a market that will take out of these two zones and go to the upside because it has not trended up for a long time. That's why I looked at as confirmation number one that the market has been selling. That is another confirmation. Another confirmation is I look at my daily time frame. The reason why I'm telling you the reason why I'm actually buying this market. My daily time frame. Now, when I saw this market, I saw that the market was doing something like this. This was the trend line. But since this trend line has been broken and retested, you see our trend line has been broken. You already seen it. Our trend line has been broken and retested. And you can also see that the market wants pull back. All right. So here too, there was a pullback. Let's go to daily time frame, maybe 4 hours time frame. So you see this thing clearly. Let me clean all this and use trend line. So what I'm going to do is to draw my trend line. This is how number one confirmation is that the market has been on a sell. So market don't go sell forever. It has to buy at a point. So market broke out of this trend line. And you can see the retest, obviously. So you cannot say the market is still on a downtrend. No, the buyers have, since for days now, buyers have been on. So you've seen this confirmation from daily time frame that the market has changed direction. You now go to your 4 hours to see what direction, when you can jump on board because you are just seeing the market. This is where you now draw your trend line. Like now you're seeing the market like this. The market is doing higher high and higher lows. You see? Higher high and higher lows. Let me higher high and higher lows. So if somebody was watching that, I analyzed this market on Thursday. I don't know how many of you the last week Friday. I don't know how many of you attended that meeting. I analyzed this market on that day, but most of you guys, so my phone battery is gone. Oh, somebody, how much can I start with? So you guys, I don't know most of you guys if you guys actually took advantage of the trade. Now the market did what they call high with 4 hour time frame. So it went up, it took these highs, went down to retest here. It did some consolidation, but now it has taken off these highs to the next level. So if it may also do this before it to get my take profit, also do this. It may also do this. All right. Or market may not just go straight like this. All right. It will do some of these things I've just drawn right now. It's not perfect, but let me just draw on again. It will do this for people to see enter, for new people to enter. Now, if you are watching this market, watch it very carefully. It may do this. All right, for people to enter again before going to the upside. So we can check out for this. When you see something like this happening, what you need to do for you to jump on such a trade, once you see that the market is an uptrend and you want to be in the trade, you want to have an opportunity to enter, you will now go, after you have drawn this with the higher time frames, you will now go to lower time frame as well to see the trend in a lower time frame perspective. So this is 1 hour. This is 1 hour. The trend is strong here. The trend is very, very strong here. If the trend is strong, even look for opportunities. But the best time to have an opportunity is when the price comes to this down here. Yeah, except the trend is very strong. If the trend is very strong, you can, this is 1 hour time frame, so you can have this drawn. If it comes to this trend line, let's go to 30 minutes. All right, you can see that it's respecting this trend line somehow. If the trend is very strong, it will come to this trend line again. Now you that is trying to jump on board, you are going to do this. You come back now you're on 15 minutes time frame. Like now it's doing as if it's doing retracement, right? Allow the pullback to happen. Allow the pullback to happen. See what? Let it come down here first before you even make this. Let it as it's happening. So let it be coming down here before you think about buying. Because that is creating room for people to jump on board. Those who understand how market moves. Market does not move on a straight road, like no. So it's coming down here, it's coming down to this trend line. If it comes down here and then it breaks through this one and retests, then you cannot jump on board and ride with the trend. If this place failed, yeah, stop. When you do this, if it break and retest, if it failed you, don't worry about the buys. It may come down to here. Because that's how the market moves. It doesn't move just on a straight line. All right. It may come down to here. Maybe here. If this failed, it may just, if it buy did not happen here, it may do this, come down to this place, and then you think about buying again. So watch out for this trend line and this trend line. That's how you analyze the market. So guys, I don't know if you guys understand. Please, let me know if you got what I have just spoken about. Let me know if you understood what I've taught you right now. Do you understand? Can you also analyze the market? It's not really high. Seeing the market trending is very easy. Just your eyes will even be showing you that look, this market is trending market. Look at it now. Higher highs, higher highs. When market do this kind of thing, you know that the market is on a trend. Higher high, higher high, higher high, higher lows, like this. On a higher time, like 4 hours and daily. If market do this, the market is an uptrend. And then if market do this, all right, market do this, they cannot swing, the market is on a downtrend. Very simple. Very simple. Someone that I used to, yes, I understand. Okay. I used to see it very, okay. Yes, I understand. All right. So what time frame did you use to enter the trade? Okay, time frame, like I said before, you can see that I analyze the market with higher time frame, but when you want to enter the trade, bring it down to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Meaning once you see that price gives you a direction, maybe 5 minute candlestick start giving you bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing candlestick. Because I use candlestick patterns to enter the market. It helps. All right. Candlestick patterns help, especially when they are printed on a zoom. When those candlesticks are printed, like now, this is 15. Let me go to this is like now, this is 4 hours time frame, right? Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. I'm seeing how those buys happen. Like now, imagine when I was watching this trade and when price go to this level, all right? When price go to this level and I play this trade, this is 15 minutes time frame. Let me go to 5 minutes time frame. Look at the best. This was a signal. This particular green candle was it was coming down because you are watching it getting to this your trend line. As you are watching it get to this your trend line, this was a signal for you to buy. Look at it here. All right, the signal for you to buy because already you know that this is an uptrend, but there is a pullback that is happening. So that's it. When you buy like that, your stop loss should be below. Like now, give a little gap because anything can. This market is very, very volatile. It can just wipe you out before going to the upside. Okay, so is there any question? Is there any question? Is there any question? Anybody has any question regarding what we just spoken about? If you're watching the video from YouTube, like the video, share, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Any question? Any question? Is there any question? All right. If there is no question, I want to use the opportunity once again to thank all of you who have come today. If you are here, you're a member of this community. If you're learning from the community, I want to encourage you to also partner with Laprenzo, become an affiliate of Laprenzo. So if you have any pair for small account, you can be trading this particular one is not bad. V25 is not bad. V25 is not bad. V100X is not bad. Small account. Jump 10 is not bad. If I were you, I would write it down. So V50 is not bad for small accounts. You can use the lower loss size. Small account you can flip to. Don't be afraid of that. You can trade any market, even if you have small accounts. You can trade any market. It's just your level of risk taking. That's it. If you know how to take risk, the money you don't have will not stop you from taking trade any market. Because the worst thing that will happen, the money will go. How can one get lowest loss size on each pair? Job is try when you use your demo to try it. When you place a trade, for instance, with 0.005, 0.001, for instance, for a particular pair, if like this particular one, 0.05 is the 0.05 is the least loss side, but look at it here. 0.05 is the least loss side. But if you want to increase it to maybe reduce it to 0.4, 0.05, it will not work. So you just use demo to try each of them. Use the lower loss side, to try each of them. If it didn't work, if you want to play this next time, they will show you the real one, the lower size that you can use to trade the lower loss size. Me too, I don't usually know the lower loss size for each of them, but I tried it with demo like that. That was how I got to know all of them. Anytime I want to place a trade, I usually do that to try each of the pairs with the lower loss size. If it didn't work, if I want to play the second time the same pair, they will not show me the lower loss size for that particular pair. That's how I trade. I didn't crime all of them too up to now. Please, while we are learning, can you help us with signals? Well, the signal group has been suspended for now since WhatsApp hacked my account. Since my account was banned, and I'm saying considering creating a new signal group. But what I want to assure you that if you want to learn this market, you don't want to be thinking about signal because signal, like I said, when I started trading with my company was an American company, one of the best in the world. They were giving us signal. Once you subscribe with $150, you'll be given an app called Swipe Trade. That swipe trade, you just copy it and then you paste on your MT5. Every day trade signals drop on that swipe trade. If you copy it and then you paste it, some losses, some will make money. But the day I started to change my trading life, started to take trading as a career, was the day I stopped taking signals. But ask myself, who are the people producing these signals? Who are they? So why am I in a hurry to make money? Come on, use demo to practice and do the same thing. I started learning hard with demo. So if I were you, instead of you to be taking signal, you use demo to learn. Because if you lose a trade, let me just be open to you. If you lose a trade, if you are the one that traded that particular market, you learn from the loss. How many of you agree with me? If you agree with me, type 111. If you take a trade, if you are the one that plays the trade and you lost money, Immediately you learn something. It's okay. Based on the training I had, I didn't implement this. Maybe I didn't implement my key levels. I didn't take this trade in the key level. Yes. Okay, I didn't take this. So you don't learn anything when you are trading with signal. You don't learn. You are telling me to give you signal so that while you're learning, you be earning. It's nothing. You are not learning. The learning is placing the trade. You don't be why are you in a hurry to make money? Why? We have this, get rich. I want to solve my problem now with forex mentality. Don't when you come to forex trading like this, don't think of solving your immediate problem now with this market. Otherwise, you lose. You lose. Because you'll be looking for signals. Even when the signal go against you, you learn. The person that produces the signal will learn. If I send a signal in the group and the market go against us, all of you lose. Me, I didn't lose. You know what I didn't lose? I learned something. But you guys learned nothing. Is it yes or no? Do you agree with me on that? If I send a signal on the group and the trade go against us, everybody that took that signal lost. Me, myself, even if I lose money, but I learned something in return for money. I learned why I lost that trade. So I want to encourage you, traders, focus on learning. Please focus on learning. Generate your own signal. We have the market is so beautiful that it's so organized in a way that yeah, some of the signal is blind. It's blind. It's really, really blind man trading. You have a blind man. Somebody is feeding you. Somebody tells you where to go before you go. Somebody tells you where to go before you go. No. Challenge yourself. Challenge yourself. Why can't you do it? Challenge yourself to learn it. You have the brain. Your brain is so powerful. Some of you are young people. Your brain is so sharp. Feed your brain with information. Learn as hard as you can. I don't take signal without analyzing the signal myself. Even if you want to analyze it, don't even take it. Don't take only signal that generate by yourself. John, from today, learn it. John Aniako, don't take somebody's signal again from today. Don't take. You will not learn from taking signals. Look for your own favorite price. Maybe the person is trading is what the pay him or she likes. You are blindly because the person posted a signal on the group. It's okay. The person say buy, 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 buy. I see that signal groups, that my group there. I see you people collecting signal trading. I look at you people and I laugh. I say you can't learn if you're just on the group looking out for those who are making it. Why are they making it? Because they refuse to take signals. They refuse. At a point, they decided I will not take signal again. No, I will not take. Just like sporting bet. I don't understand that. So you decide that you will not take signal and you begin to generate your own signals. That's how you become a profitable forex trader. Analyze it. Use demo to trade. Forget what people are dropping on the group. Forget it. If you want to grow, I'm just giving you the real secret to anybody that's promoting signal does not want you to grow. The person wants you to be his puppet, his slave. Honestly speaking, signal I dropped to encourage people, but at the point I decided, what am I doing for these people is not growth. It does not encourages development, growth and development. People are so lazy. Once they discover that your signals are working, they will not even place the trade again. They will just be waiting for your signal. Easy way of making money. That's why we have poverty everywhere. People are only looking for the easy way of making money. Easy way. So they get scammed by people who want to collect money from them for signal. A lot of online mentors advertising their signal groups and all the rest. Why should you be taking signal? Why can't you generate your own signal? That's why this academy is called La Prinzo Wealth Academy. These are principles. We are not like the every other conventional trading, companies. It's a special organized company, organized mentorship platform for people who truly want to grow. you understand principles of success, you won't be doing easy way or you won't be doing fast way of making money. No, no. Be patient with yourself. John and I, because you're the one that asked that question. Be patient with yourself. Join the classes the way you're doing. Analyze the market. Place demo. Hold your $10 first. If you're scared, then don't be too scared forever. Do it for a few weeks. If you want to use 1 month to do it, fine. If you want to use 2 months to do it, depending on how fast you are in learning. Place your own trade. That money that you want to give to somebody, for you to take somebody's signal, place it. The other one of my students told me of how somebody gave him, somebody in the group, the boy said he's a trader that you want to trade for him. He funded just $75. Before he woke up, all his money is gone. He gave him his MT5 password to trade. He woke up and realized that the money is gone. What a waste of time and money. My advice for you is let your money be in your wallet. Trade with your own emotion. Let you master your own emotions. Because trading is 20% skill set. What I'm teaching you is not hard. But what is difficult is your emotions, how you manage yourself when you're in a trade, how you react. Are you having BP when you're in a trade? Your mind BP. Some people, when they place a trade, like all their blood pressure will high. Please, if you are placing a trade and your blood pressure is high, reduce your lot size. If you are placing a trade and when you place a trade, your blood pressure shoots up, you're afraid, your eyes are red, everybody, everywhere, every part of you, they rise. You are crazy. You can't even sleep with your wife. You can't even touch your girlfriend. You can't even do anything. You can't even eat. Please don't place such a trade. If you want to flip account, zero your mind. This money is gone. This money is not expected back. If you want to flip your, for instance, you have $20, you have $100, you want to flip it to $2,000 or $3,000 or $1,000, tell the money bye-bye. Bye-bye. Have that mentality. Please don't spend what you cannot afford to lose. Don't you place with your house rent. I want to use my house rent to flip. So that when I flip, I'll go and pay my house rent. It's a wrong mentality. No. Trade with what you can afford to let go so you can have peace of mind. If you lost, okay. It is emotional trading that makes traders fail. Brokers, they know that. They know that. When you place a trade, allow you to take your profits. Don't be emotionally attached. You are just on your phone. You are pressing your phone. You are looking. You can't even eat. You are just there like mirror. You are just watching the film. It will affect you. Trade just go negative small. You are scared because you don't want that money to go. It has happened to me now. So please guide your emotions very, very well. Protect yourself from negative people. Read the books. Make money from the market. Consistency is what creates wealth. Join our Zoom meetings like this. If you are watching us from YouTube, subscribe to the channel. Watch these videos again and again and learn how to become a profitable forex trader. All right, I'll see you again tomorrow night, 12 o'clock, with another amazing topic or another amazing analysis. Again, good day and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.